It's time for the next stop on the HamShackTV Hamfest tour fueled by Ham Radio Prep and World Radio League. Let's find out where this stop is. Hi, everybody. Welcome back to HamShackTV. I'm your host, Josh, AA4WX, right here on HamShackTV. Appreciate y'all tuning in tonight. We've had a little bit of a lull in Hamfest lately. Well, we've got one more big one, and then we're going to take about a month break, and then we'll be back at it. Guys, today's video is brought to you by Ham Radio Prep. If you're looking to get your ham radio license, Ham Radio Prep is the way to go. They have the technician, the general, and the extra class courses, and they're so confident they're going to help you pass your exam on the first attempt. They offer a money-back guarantee. See website for details. Go to hamradioprep.com. Use my coupon code HamShackTV. You'll get an additional 10% off. They're great prices already. All right, let's get to work here. So next stop on the Hamfest tour is this weekend, this Saturday actually, the Knoxville, Tennessee Hamfest. Now, this is about a medium-sized fest. This isn't a small one, but it's not Huntsville or Dayton or Hamvention or anything, or Hamcation, I should say, or anything like that. It is a medium-sized fest, but it's worth your time to come. It's going to be this Saturday, June 21st, 2025 at Wallace Memorial Baptist Church, 701 Merchant Drive in Knoxville, Tennessee. Very, very easy access. This is right off of I-75. I think it's exit 108 if I'm not mistaken. Exit 108 if I'm not mistaken. You cannot miss this church. They've got a gigantic cross. Huge. I mean, we're talking probably 6-7 stories tall. Very, very large cross. Easy to find. All right, so they're asking you to use the Scenic Wood Drive entrance on the west side of the property on Saturday. This is all sponsored by the Radio Amateur Club of Knoxville. Staff members will be present to direct you to parking, tailgating, or vendor parking. That'll improve traffic flow and protect safety of all. The talk-in will be available on 145.210. Again, 145.210 megahertz with a PL tone of 100 hertz. Friday check-in will be 7 to 9 p.m., and they won't let you set up tables before 6. So 7 to 9 p.m. on Friday. It's now open for dealer registrations. Reserve a spot early if you desire a dealer spot. All attendees must purchase a ticket, so everybody must have a ticket. They are $8 in advance or $10 at the door. There are some exceptions. One, there is no entrance fee for anybody under 12 years of age or older. 12 years old or younger, I should say. If you are a uniformed officer, if you are an inside table vendor, or if you are an invited guest of the Radio Amateur Club of Knoxville. They do have special passes for vendors and invited guests. Please note there is a smooth roll-in doorway is available on the back side of the hallway. The doorway has a clearance of 34 inches. As usual, they will assist you with moving in. They are going to offer VE testing. This is in collaboration with the University of Tennessee Amateur Radio Club and the ARRL. The paper test will be used. A fee is $15 unless they're under the age of 18, in which it would be $5. The FCC Form 605 will be available at RAC and the UTARC tables. You'll need to fill that form out in advance, and any questions you can contact Bobby at 865-254-3067, or you can email him there at the address on your screen, bobby@usit.net. Testing will begin promptly at 1 p.m. All right, and if you are testing, you need an FRN. You'll need to bring a black pen or a number 2 pencil. You'll need two IDs, one pictorial, meaning a driver's license or passport, a copy of your license, or the FRN will also count as one. You'll also need a copy of your existing license if you're upgrading, and also correct change for the ARRL fee. So make sure that you pay that, or you have the correct change for that. All right, so here is the church. This is Wallace Memorial Baptist Church, and as I told you earlier, you can't miss this place. Super, super tall cross. You can see vendor unloading will be in the back. Tailgating will be in the back. Ticket sales will be on Scenic Road. And there's an entry right off of Merchants Drive. You cannot enter through the first exit or the first entrance off of Merchants Drive. It has to be the second one near Scenic Wood Drive. Here's a check out of the parking lot. You can see here in the middle, they've got reserved for expos, inside entries here, and then more parking is available there. Let's go over what's all happening here. Let's see if I can make this bigger. I need to make sure y'all are seeing this as well. So stand by just a second. No, you are not. So let me fix this. Guys, technology, gotta love it, right? So let me put myself back on the screen here. That's not what I want. I want this one here. Share screen. Let's see. Trying to find the right tab. The way they've got this as a PDF does not make it easy. Here we go. This is the schedule of events. This is 6:30 to 8 final vendor setup. That is on Friday night. On Saturday morning, the Hamfest opens at 8 a.m. There will be a hospital net meeting in the atrium from 8 o'clock till 8:45. From 9 a.m. to 10 a.m., you'll find the ARRL Tennessee Aries group. At 9:15 a.m., hourly door prizes begin. You must be present to win. Now, keep that in mind. You must be present to win. From 10 till 11:30, the ARRL Tennessee State Convention will be in progress in the auditorium. From 11:30 to 12:30, there'll be a forum on how to set up a remote station. This is available in the atrium. From 12:30, registration for exams will be upstairs in room number 243. At 1 o'clock, the exams will commence. At 2:30 p.m., there'll be a grand prize drawing. This one you do not need to be present to win. So grand prize drawing at 2:30 p.m. You do not need to be present. From 7 a.m. until 1 p.m., there'll be food service available, breakfast and lunch, and that's in the exhibit hall. Here's your exhibitors. You've got RAC, the Radio Amateur Club of Knoxville, with club activities membership. The ARRL will have a meet and greet with Delta Division and Tennessee visitors. The Red Cross and Ham Radio will be in there. There'll be several area radio clubs and organizations. There will be free radio programming provided by Kilo Golf 7 Bravo Alpha Mike. That's in the exhibit hall. Let's see here. QSL card checking will be provided for ETDXA. That's the East Tennessee DX Association, as well as the ARRL for Worked All States and DXCC. The RAC communications van will be out there, and now that is a cool sight to see. There'll be a FEMA comm bus outside of the tailgate area as well. The outside schedule, very similar. From 6:15 to 8 will be tailgate check-in and setup. 7 a.m. to 1:30, you'll have tailgating. From 8 until 1, the FEMA comm bus will be in place. From 8:30 until 12, the RAC comm van will be in place. And there'll be a fox hunt with KO4WYL, that's Will, be from 11:15 until 12:30. Check in at the RAC van. So there's that. And I'm just checking here to see anything else that may be of interest. Yes, absolutely, there actually is. Let me change screens here. And bear with me just a second. All right, so this is a look at the tables. And we're just taking a quick look across here. Oak Ridge Amateur Radio Club, that's Oak Ridge, Tennessee. Smoky Mountain Amateur Radio Club, East Tennessee DX Association, Meters, UTARC. And then this is the programming booth over here. You've got several other things. I don't know what TAW is. I'm not sure what that is. Jonathan Thawley, KC8CPW, will have 4 tables available. Mars and KD4PRH in the hood. That's Roger, the host of the Dixie Traders Net. He'll be there. PCX stream, I'm not sure what that is. Lots of call signs here. I'm not going to go through all the call signs. We know our friend Leroy from M&L Radio will be there. He'll be at 59, 58, 66, and 67. Let's see here. More just call signs. I don't know much about call signs. You know, it is what it is. AWRL, Red Cross will be there as well. 1007 Engineering. 1007 has some cool antennas, so that'd be cool to see them. Workman Signs will be in there as well. N4OOC. I think that might be Ooks Attic. N4OOC. So be interesting to see him. And that's really about it. So you can see the entry and exits and forums and tailgates down through here. So, guys, that's really about it for the Knoxville Hamfest. As I was saying, this is a smaller Hamfest. I mean, it's not tiny, but it's also not huge. We're not going to expect Huntsville or Dayton or Orlando with this one, but it'll be definitely worth checking out. It's been many years since I've been to a Knoxville Hamfest, so kind of excited to check that out. Again, guys, I want to remind you that tonight's episode is brought to you by Ham Radio Prep. Ham Radio Prep is the way to go. They offer a money-back guarantee. Also, if you've already got your extra class license, well, they've got some other things to help you out. They have a Ham Radio Basics course. They have a HF Master class. They also have an MCOM class. So go check them out. HamRadioPrep.com and use my coupon code HamShackTV. You'll get an additional 10% off their already great prices. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next video. 73's AA4WX WSCB 693.